Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody stand in your way.
This is zucchini, fresh from the garden. We have mozzarella cheese. Oh baby. Some black olives, seasonings, San Marzano tomatoes, some extra virgin olive oil. Got the water ready to boil. We got penne, which also can be considered a ziti type of pasta. And we've got garlic. Hey, Mike Foster here, how you doing? It's a bake. It's a zucchini pasta bake with lots of mozzarella cheese. I'm calling it the double Z and cheese, although that's really considered a penne, but we can pretend it's a ziti. Zucchini, pasta, black olive, and cheese. I'm gonna put this baby together. I'm gonna first start preparing the zucchini and the garlic, and that'll be ready in a second. And then we'll put this bad boy together. Simple to prepare. Take both ends off, split it in half like this, another quarter like this, both sides, and then prep them like this. I'll get that garlic going, I'll get that pan and olive oil going. I'll meet you at the stove. All right, that sound you hear in the background is the water starting to boil. Medium pan, lots of olive oil, because we're gonna cook that zucchini in here too. Here's those cloves of garlic. Pop those babies in. All right, let's get these guys going a little. Like I said, medium. Next, I'm gonna take the zucchini and just put this baby in here. And we're gonna cook this down for a little while. Look at, you can eat this baby raw. Put that up a little more olive oil, a little pepper, some salt, some oregano. This is Italian style. Some basil, a little more garlic. We'll season it when we put the tomatoes in. It's going to take a little while to cook these down a little. Then we'll have the tomatoes, the black olives. We'll put this baby together with the pasta. I'm going to start crushing some olives in here. Just half of them, because we're going to add the rest in the sauce. Nice. This is a little above a simmer, because I'm going to try to get these guys cooking. Try to get these guys a little softer. But we're not going to take the firmness out of them. Those are a lot of things that she might have said. You can see that pasta going. Okay, next I'm going to take the San Marzanos and we're going to pour these in. We're going to break them up as we put them in, as you can see. This is a good way of doing it. These will break up while cooking anyway, so you just have to give them a gentle massage. Yeah, massage your tomatoes. Then we're going to take a little water. You're just going to put it in there. Clean the can, and that'll give you just a little more liquid. You're going to bring this up to a boil. I'm going to season it. I didn't have onions, so I have a little onion powder, and I'm low on it, so I saved it to the end, right there. Goodbye, onion powder. Get this up to a boil. A little more garlic, because garlic is the fruit of the Lord. Basil. It's the name of one of my cousins. A little pepper. Okay, and oregano, because oregano is Italiano. Yes. Yes, Francis, yes. All right, mix it. Mix it. We're going to simmer this down. Simmer down. I'm going to finish the black olives. Okay. Let's get this thickened. So, because we're going to mix this with some cheese and that pasta and bake it. Oh, this is just not even begun to fight yet. All right, now what I'm going to do now is take some of this pasta water. This will help thicken it because it's got a lot of nice starch in it. And then we're just going to let this baby simmer. All right. Okay, now I'm going to cover it just to help with the simmering. And I'm gonna finish off that pasta. When this is done, I'll put this baby together. All right, everything's done. Let's put this baby together. So we put the pasta back in. Then we take the finished zucchini and put that baby right in there. That's perfect. Now you're gonna incorporate these together before we put it into the pan to bake. But also, the secret ingredient, this is shredded mozzarella. We're gonna add a bunch, and then we're gonna put a bunch on top. Guess what? I'm gonna get some more. So get that all in there. Oh yeah. All right. Meet you at the casserole dish. Put the rest of this baby together. I'm gonna just put a little olive oil on the bottom. There you go, that's it. And we're gonna put the concoction in it. Fill that baby up. This is probably enough to feed a lot of people. Little cheese on top to finish this baby off. All right, pop this baby in the oven. That's a lot of pasta. See you guys in about 20. All right, there's the finished product out in its container. Just took it out of the oven, let it rest for a few minutes. I'm gonna serve this baby up, take another close up, and then the best part. What? Big bite. All right, there it is, zucchini ziti bake with lots of cheese. Big bite coming up. Oh yeah, how's that look? Is it hot? It's hot. Is it cheesy? We're gonna find out. Pasta? Let's try some of this zucchini. Still chewy, but not too hard. Did somebody say that? Cheese, pasta, zucchini, black olives, and lots of stove oven. That is absolutely delicious. Look at that cheese. Oh, check this one out. Summer's here, fresh zucchini right around the corner. Or right here. Check this out. Check out my videos at Live Life 365 at YouTube. Everywhere. Keep living life 365. Till next time. Peace.
Live life 365.
Check out a video I did with my mom called Cooking with Mom, Jackie's Zucchini. This reminds me of that a little. My mom's been gone almost a year, and I miss her dearly, and I don't want to get emotional about this. But we did a lot of fun stuff together. Fluid. Let's mix this in. Hey, baby. Did you sneak in? Need some, honey? Okay, does it smell good? That's me and my wife talking. Basil Foster. Just turn that down a little, because we want to simmer this. Don't want to boil the crap out of it. He said crap. Perfect. So you say. I'm not kidding. Well, no, you can't see it, but that's a casserole dish right there. So, oh, yeah. Oh, I like you. Perfect. Sweetest of the bubble. Oh. Well, it was really good because it was a baba.